trunk. Oh my god, this is Kite's trunk, guys. I don't know what he got in there, but what is that? But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install his front lip for him. Yeah, so he got the V3s recently. That look pretty dope. Take a look at it. See that? That is nice. I really need them soon. But yeah, if you guys want to follow him on Instagram, that's his IG right there. And quick thing, yeah, let's see how the front lips look like for this one. I don't know which one you got. All right, that's what the front lips look like. That's what we're gonna install right now. It's gloss black, and we'll see how it looks on the car once it's installed. You got the pros in there too. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it looks good in person. So we'll install it, and I'll show you guys where to jack it up if you don't know. So this is where you jack up the car. You would, that's the side mirror. You would come down, and you would see the metal piece right here on the left with the door. You know where the door closes here? Right in between, it's right here. So there it is. This is it right there. Let me try to, there. So it kind of lines up in the middle with that door. That's how it looks, guys. Check this out. I mean, still up on the jack, but it looks a lot better. That looks really good. Alright, well, slowly you guys are gonna bring it down. Twist to the left, just slight, so it comes down slowly. There you go. That's good. Not so good, that, bro. Yeah, I'll put the link in the description below for that jack. It's really quick, better than the stock one. It looks really nice. Don't forget we're on the edge, like a hill on top, so that's why it's a little high.